Mixed dal. Welcome to my channel. I have taken 3 dals to make mixed dal, which is ground lentil and gram dal. Soak it for half an hour and now put it in the cooker to boil and add the chicken to it. Oil. Onion. Ginger paste and garlic paste added. Chopped tomatoes and green chilies added. Add chicken in it. Tomato paste. Yogurt. Turmeric and red chili powder. Salt. Now we add boiled dal. Homemade spices. Now we will brown the onion for the dal. Now fry the dal, for which dry red chilies and cumin seeds will be added. Now add in dal. Garnish with green coriander. Thanks for watching.